Kinds of sentences. There are 4 kinds of sentences:
declarative, imperative, interrogative,
and exclamatory.
A declarative sentence makes a statement or gives information.
It ends with a full stop.
An imperative sentence gives a command, makes a request or a wish.
It mostly ends with a full stop and sometimes an exclamation mark.
For the subject in an imperative sentence is always in the second person.
It is implied and often not spoken. For example, do not go there. That is, you do not go there.
An interrogative sentence asks a question.
It ends with a question mark. For an exclamatory sentence expresses happiness, anger, fear, disgust, and shock.
It ends with an exclamation mark.
A very good morning, dear children. Welcome back to the online class of Class 5. I hope that you all are safe at your home and doing your studies well. And there is an instruction for you. Whenever you are sending the homework, you have to write your name, class, and date in each and every pages of your copy and the book. Okay? जब आप homework send करते हो, का नाम, क्लास और डेट हर पेजेस में आपको लिखना कंपल्सरी है. इफ यू आर नॉट राइटिंग, आई विल बी आस्किंग यू टू राइट इट एंड सेंड इट मी बैक. यदि आप नहीं लिख के भेजते तो मुझे आपको दोबारा बोलना पड़ेगा, तो लिख के फिर वापस भेजें. ओके, सो बी केयरफुल फॉर दैट. ओके, एंड इन द प्रीवियस क्लास वी हैव डिस्कस्ड फ्रॉम द चैप्टर 3 ऑफ इंग्लिश ग्रामर. व्हाट इज द नेम ऑफ द चैप्टर? Kinds of sentences. वाक्यों का प्रकार. And how many kinds of sentences we have learned? There are 4 kinds of sentences, isn't it? What is the first one? A declarative or an assertive sentence. And which is the second one? An interrogative sentence. And the third is an imperative sentence. And the fourth is an exclamatory sentence. And in the previous class, we have discussed about an interrogative sentence as well as a declarative sentence. And we have done that 3 exercise A, B and C. Today we are going to discuss about what is an imperative sentence and what is an exclamatory sentence. Okay. So what is an imperative sentence? A sentence that makes a request or a suggestion or gives a piece of advice or an order is called an imperative sentence. Once again, everyone read along with me on the page number 14. A sentence that makes a request or a suggestion or gives a piece of advice or an order is called an imperative sentence. So, in a sentence, it may be a request or suggestion or give some advice, or it may be an order. All types of sentences comes under an imperative sentences. Okay, so it may be a request. Requesting means please, kindly, these kind of words you will be using. Okay, and it may be a suggestion or giving a piece of advice. Suggestions या जब advice देते हो, we use words like must, could, can, etc. So यहाँ पर must, could, can इन जैसे वर्ड्स को यूज करते हुए सजेशंस और एडवाइस का सेंटेंस बनाते हैं. वो भी comes under an imperative sentence. And last we have learned that it's an order. Okay, means आज्ञा देना. Okay, so the base form of the verb comes in the beginning of a sentence to give orders. When you want to give orders, the base form of the verb will be coming in the beginning of the sentence. Example, stay away. What is the meaning of that? मुझसे दूर रहो. So that stay is the base form that came in the beginning. And another example, go from here. So what is saying? Go from here. So the go is the base form that comes in the beginning. One more thing you need to remember that in an imperative sentence, when you are giving an order, okay, the base form comes first. Base form पहले आता है, उसका subject वहाँ पर हम show नहीं करते हैं. Okay, you go from here. You stay away. So that you we are not using in the imperative sentence. Apart from that, we are using that base form in the beginning. Okay, I think you all understood. Once again, a sentence that makes a request or a suggestion or a piece of advice or an order, okay, is called an imperative sentence. Some of the examples are given there. Let me clarify this. It is suggestion. And second is, you must not cross the red light. आपको रेड लाइट क्रॉस नहीं करना चाहिए, वो एडवाइस दिया जा रहा है. Third, kindly shut the door. It is a request. Okay, kindly, the word is using means request. And the fourth is stay away. दूर रहो. So that's an order. Now let's go with an exclamatory sentence. So which is the fourth types of sentence? The fourth one is an exclamatory sentence. What is an exclamatory sentence? A sentence which expresses strong feelings or emotion is called an exclamatory sentence. एक सेंटेंस में स्ट्रॉन्ग फीलिंग्स और इमोशंस को, ओके, आपके भावनाओं को और आपके स्ट्रॉन्ग फीलिंग्स को, सैडनेस, हैप्पीनेस, एंगर, इन सारी चीजों को दिखाते हैं. दैट्स व्हाट an exclamatory sentence. Always an exclamatory sentence ends with an exclamation mark. Exclamatory sentence हमेशा exclamation mark से ही end होता है. Declarative starts with the capital letter, ends with the full stop. And in an interrogative sentence, starts with the capital letter and ends with a question mark. In an imperative sentence, we can see the exclamation mark also somewhere we can see, and the full stop also we can see. Okay. But in an exclamatory sentence, it always ends with an exclamation mark. You know exclamation mark? Okay. This is what? An exclamation mark. Now, we have completed in the last class exercise A, B and C from page number 14 and 15. Today we have to do page number 16. Okay. Exercise D. Choose the suitable words from the box and complete the following imperative sentences. There are 5 imperative sentences are given below and 5 words are in the bracket. You have to choose which word is suitable and you have to complete it. The first one, dash tell a lie. Please tell a lie. आपको झूठ please बोलना चाहिए. No. Kindly tell a lie. No. Move tell a lie. No. Must tell a lie. झूठ बोलना ही चाहिए. No. Never tell a lie. So what is the answer? Never tell a lie. Second, dash fast. Move fast. Third, you dash never steal. You must never steal. Okay. Fourth, dash open the door. Here you can use please also, kindly also. Both are right. Okay. Please भी आप use कर सकते हो, kindly भी. Fifth one, dash give me that book. So here also you can use please and kindly. Any suitable one you can use. Please open the door. Kindly give me that book. Okay, children. I hope you all understood this exercise B. Now let's go with exercise E. Identify whether the following sentences are declarative, interrogative, imperative or exclamatory. यहाँ पर 10 sentences are given there. What you have to do is you have to identify whether the sentences are exclamatory, interrogatory, imperative or an assertive sentence. Okay. So this exercise you have to do by yourself. D and E you have to do by yourself. Then you may match the answers with the answer key PDF file and you have to send your homework today itself. If you have any doubt on this particular portion, you may ask in the query group. Ma'am will be helping you to find out the solution for that. So children, do your homework regularly. Start doing your study series. Take care children. Stay home. Stay safe.